What's up guys? In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a logo animation in CapCut on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First, import your background video and logo image into CapCut. Then drag the background video onto the timeline and place your logo on a track above it. Next, select the logo in the preview window, resize and reposition it until you're happy with how it looks. Now click the Animation tab on the right panel. Browse through the available animation and choose the one you like best for your logo. You can preview different effects until you find the one that matches your style. After selecting an animation, adjust its duration using the slider. A shorter animation creates a quick entrance, while a longer one gives a smoother effect. Once you're satisfied with the result, play the video to preview your animation. If everything looks good, click Export in the top right corner to save your final video. And that's it. That's how you can create a logo animation in CapCut in your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.